everybody. Welcome to Grandma's Corner, our low budget video on how to make things. Today, we are going to make tissue flowers. Aren't you excited? Is there someone in your life that you can make a beautiful tissue flower for? Well, I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, you go and you find 3 squares of Kleenex. Doesn't have to be the Kleenex brand, but some sort of tissue. Get yourself an assortment of food dye and just start splatting away. Drip, 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 drip around all the corners of your pieces until you have wonderful dots of color on the edges, 2 edges only, of your Kleenex. And you're going to watch how amazingly enough these are going to come together to make the most beautiful flower that you have ever seen in the fake world. Nope, not fake news, just in the fake world. All right, so here's an example of what it should look like. And you're just going to dot again on 2 sides on all 3 sheets. And then you're going to let them thoroughly dry. After they have dried, then you're going to bring those 3 sheets that have already been colored. Ooh, look at those. And you are going to carefully separate the 3 sheets into 6. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to stack them. And you want to stack them where the colors are alternating. So this sheet that I'm going to put on now, I'll put the colored one on top. That way, when you make your flower, all of those colors are going to explode. Now that you have them all stacked up together, all 6 of them, you're now going to fold them very much like you would make a fan out of paper. Remember doing that as a kid? Well, you are a kid, so you're learning how to do it right now. All right, so you fold forward, and then you fold backward, and you fold forward, and you fold backward, and it becomes a fan. Now you're going to take this, fold it in half, and you're going to grab the end of it with your fingers and give it a little squish. And then you're going to wrap a rubber band around it. That way your flower stays intact and shows off every bit of its beauty. Now this is where you're going to have a lot of patience. You see all these layers now? You're now going to have to pull them apart very gently so they don't rip to shreds, because then you will no longer have a flower. But because you had separated the 2 pieces earlier on, it's not going to be too much of a problem. After you get them all separated, kind of fluff them up a little bit, and then this is going to be your end result. Look at that. Put it in a nice container, and voila. Very much a piece of beauty. Nothing can match that in your yard, believe me. Make a few of those, give them out to friends and family, brighten up somebody's day. I hope you enjoyed this. Come back again.